Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 9 cardio exercises to lose all the festive weight. So, here are 9 cardio exercises to help you shed the extra festive weight. Number 1. Jump rope. Calories burned, 200 to 300 calories in 15 minutes. Improves coordination and burns a high number of calories in a short time. Number 2. High-intensity interval training HIIT. Calories burned, 500 to 700 calories in 30 minutes. Alternate between high and low-intensity exercises, e.g., sprints and walking, for maximum fat burn. Number 3. Running, outdoor or treadmill. Calories burned, 300 to 400 calories in 30 minutes. Great for burning fat and improving cardiovascular endurance. Number 4. Cycling. Calories burned, 250 to 500 calories in 30 minutes, depending on intensity. Excellent for legs and cardio fitness. Number 5. Stair climbing. Calories burned, 200 to 300 calories in 20 minutes. Builds lower body strength and burns calories fast. Number 6. Aerobic dance, e.g., Zumba. Calories burned, 400 to 600 calories in 60 minutes. Fun and effective, combining cardio with dynamic movements. Number 7. Rowing machine. Calories burned, 250 to 400 calories in 30 minutes. Provides a full-body workout, targeting both upper and lower body. Number 8. Swimming. Calories burned, 200 to 400 calories in 30 minutes. Low impact and great for people with joint issues. Number 9. Kickboxing. Calories burned, 300 to 450 calories in 30 minutes. Combines cardio with strength and flexibility. Tips to maximize results. Number 1. Stay consistent. Aim for 4 to 5 sessions per week. Number 2. Mix it up. Keep your routine interesting to avoid plateaus. Number 3. Monitor diet. Combine exercise with a balanced, calorie-controlled diet. Movie camera. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Loudspeaker, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Speech balloon, got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Sparkles, until next time, stay fit, stay strong, and stay motivated.